This is a salient milestone in our historic journey of national transformation. The event by itself is extraordinary, and the venue is significant in a couple of critical ways. The commissioning of MV Uhuru II is another encouraging achievement which demonstrates the rapid maturity of this sector and of our national shipbuilding industry, and highlights its dynamic capacity to undertake different important assignments and deliver various types of vessels in this emerging space. In May, I presided over the rededication of Kenya Navy ship Shupavu, the first naval ship to undergo a midlife refit in Kenya, which proved the capacity of Kenya shipyards to undertake complex engineering tasks requiring specialized scientific and technological expertise. Today, we are commissioning a wholly newly built merchant marine vessel, once again demonstrating the ability of the Kenya shipyards to build, repair, and maintain ships for local, regional, and possibly international operators. The work of building MV Uhuru II and upgrading the Kisumu shipyard has been undertaken by Kenyan professionals in a project which provided many young people with practical shipbuilding skills through apprenticeship and on-the-job training, and was completed within 24 months, and well within its budget. I must congratulate my predecessor, President Uhuru Kenyatta, for his foresight in coming up with this shipyard refurbishment.